The Atlantic Forest. More than the sea, the beaches, the vibrant culture, it embodies the very soul of Brazil. Its diversity, its wild beauty, its untamed spirit, this is what defines the Brazilian landscape. Deep within this verdant embrace lies a dream house. Designed by an architect yearning for a sanctuary, a place to reconnect with nature's energy. The house itself is a reflection of the forest, clad in Kumara wood, mimicking the rich textures and tones of the surrounding trees. Transparency reigns supreme, not as a mere aesthetic choice, but as a justification for human presence in this sacred space. Inside, the boundaries dissolve. Kumara wood extends from walls to floors, creating a warm, unified space. The absence of divisions fosters a sense of integration. The living room converses with the kitchen, which in turn welcomes the workspace. All bathed in the dappled light and vibrant energy of the forest. Step outside onto the expansive terrace, where the forest becomes an extension of the living space. A wooden deck beckons, a belvedere offering breathtaking views of the emerald canopy. Here, one can truly commune with nature, recharge, and find solace. The architect's dream house, a testament to the powerful bond between humanity and nature. A sanctuary carved from the heart of the Atlantic forest, where the wild beauty of Brazil reigns supreme.